In a world where energy costs are soaring and environmental concerns are on the rise, we realize how much we depend on electricity to survive and how we have little or no control over it. It's time to take control of your energy future. Introducing Kiru Energy solar power systems for your home. Imagine never having to worry about the rising electricity bills again. With Kiru solar panels, you harness the power of the sun right from your own rooftop, also reducing your carbon footprint to create a better future for generations to come. Join the thousands of homeowners who have made the switch to solar. Take the first step towards energy independence today. Contact us now to start saving with solar on 0813 0266 232.